Let's take a look at the item group feature in Rposio Cloud. You'll want to create item groups to use in promotions or to use as a quick way to grab a certain group of items that you might want to edit in your regular item grid. To do that, from the home page, we go to Item Group. You'll see all your previously made groups right here, but let's make a new one. Come over here and add Item Group. We're going to give it a name. Now, you can start by filtering, and you can choose a blank group if you want to start with a totally blank group and then set items one at a time. I'm not going to do that just now. I'm going to go down here to Brand, choose an operator. I'm going to say the brand equals Frito-Lay. I'm going to add another attribute and say size equals bag. Once I have the filters the way I think I want them, I can click on Preview and see what I've got. This came up with 128 different items. Let's say I just want the $1.89 ones. I can go back to Create and say current price equals $1.89. Hit Preview again, and I just get the $1.89 ones. You can see there's 85 of them. Let's go back and hit Create. That created our group, but now I want to take a look at it so I can edit it further. Choose the group, and you'll see all the items in the group. I can scroll through it, change as many per page, see what I got here, choose ones I don't want, remove them, and then I'm left with whatever group I want. Now, if I head back over to promotions, I can use that group in a promotion. If I head back to the item screen, I can easily filter by the item group if I want to take a look at just certain items that I want to edit. There's the items I just created, and now I can go through and manage them however I want. You can also use this filter in group change if you want to easily grab any group of items and make a group change all at once. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.